This week, I tested a handful of AI tools for builders, and I want to save you the wasted hours. First, the honest part. Most tools that call themselves revolutionary are just a wrapper around a chatbot. But a few actually help you ship. I tested one for scaffolding small web apps, one for wiring up automations, and one for cleaning up messy code. The winner wasn't the flashiest. It was the one that let me go from idea to working prototype in an afternoon. So let's build something small right now, together. Here's your concrete step. Open a free automation tool like Make or N8N. Create a new workflow. Add a trigger, say, a new row in a Google Sheet. Then add an AI step that summarizes that row's text into one clean sentence. Finally, send that summary to your email. That's it. You just built a tiny AI pipeline that turns raw input into something useful automatically. It sounds simple, but this exact pattern, trigger, AI step, output, is the backbone of most micro SaaS products people quietly charge for. Now, about money, because I won't lie to you. Building one automation won't make you rich, and anyone promising that is selling something. But learning to connect these pieces is a real skill, and skills that solve annoying problems tend to get paid, eventually. The point today is not income. The point is that you built something that runs without you. Do this once, and you'll never look at these tools the same way. My challenge for you: build that sheet-to-email summarizer before the weekend, then tweak it for a problem you actually have. Drop what you built in the comments. I read them. And if you want next week's tool tests, subscribe so you don't miss them. Now go build something small and real.